Hi there everyone, this is your friend Jake, and in this tutorial video we will create another program. We will call this program a factorial a number using recursion algorithm in C++ programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, subscribers, and followers in my channel. Thank you for your support. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. When we say recursion, it is a process in computer programming that a function or a method is calling itself to solve a specific problem. The concept of recursion was developed in 1950s by an American mathematician named Stephen Klein. So here, line number 1 in C++, we have your sharp include IO stream. IO means input-output streaming library file. It is used primarily for input-output in C++ programming. Line number 3, we have here function prototype called Factorial. We have here integer name of our function int n. N is the passing parameter for number. Integer means a data type that consists of whole number, positive and negative number. Line number 5, we have here int main. It is the starting point of our program execution in any C++ program. Line number 6, we have here begin, and then we declare a variable in line number 7, int num underscore val equals 0. Now here, the type of writing of this program I'm using the modern C++ approach. Steady colon new line here, and then line number 10, we have the title of our program, Factorial a number using recursion in C++. Line number 11 to new line. Line number 12, give a number. Line number 13, cin num underscore val. We are asking the user to give a number. And then line number 15, we have also a new line. And then line number 16, we display the given number and then calling the function factorial, and then we pass the parameter num underscore val. And then we have here line number 19 rather, we have here new line. Line number 20, end of programs, which informs the user that the program has been ended. Line number 21, new line, return 0, close. Now, we have here a function int factorial int n, begin. If n greater than 1, return n, multiply, calling again itself, the factorial, open and close parentheses, n minus 1, and then else, return 1. If the value is less than 1, example 0, it will return to 1 and then close. Now let us run our program so that we can see the output. Factorial a number using recursion in C++, give a number. Let's say we give 0, it will return 1. Factorial of 0 is 1, end of program. Okay, let us run again. Let's say we have 3 greater than 1. The factorial of 3 is 6, end of program. Let us run again for the third time. We have 5. So the factorial value of 5 is 120, end of program. So this is the end of our tutorial video on how to create a factorial a number using recursion algorithm in C++ programming language. I hope that you learned something new in this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching guys. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code in my 2 websites for free. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.